Welcome to TeamGuru tutorial, how to create your own to-do list and also how you can add items to your actions without actually creating a subtask. Once you log into your TeamGuru account, you will be on my dashboard screen. On the right side, you will see a feature for my notes and to-do list. So here you can actually simply create your own to-do list. Nobody else will see that, by simply adding list items such as, let's say, create dashboard. You have to click enter, call customer, click enter, and so on. And once you are done with any of your tasks, then you can just check it off your list. It will appear under completed items, and then you can just click on your trash bin and delete all completed items and hit OK. Also, now you even have an option to add your to-do list within your actions. So when you click on your action, you have an option to add list items here also, and without creating any subtasks for your action. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please let us know and we'll be happy to hear from you at support@teamguru.com.